Margaret, we are DEFCON 5.
Did you know that DEFCON 5 is actually the least bad level of DEFCON? Most people think the higher the number, the worse the DEFCON or whatever, but it's the opposite.
So what's the worst?
DEFCON 1.
Then Margaret, consider we are at DEFCON -11.
Why do you keep calling me Margaret?
To illustrate how dire the situation is.
Margaret's not even my full name.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's your full name?
I don't want to tell you.
Okay, we have to circle back on that one. Like I said, DEFCON
1.
1, DEFCON 1.
And why are we at DEFCON 1 today, Franklin?
Because I don't know what tie to wear and my date is on her way up.
I really should have seen that one coming.
DEFCON 20.
You still don't understand this. What about the tie?
I'm gonna go no tie. No tie is very in these days. Maggie, you wouldn't understand. Hello, puppet.
Oh, my name's Pyongyang the Puppet.
Oh, hello, Pyongyang. Do you happen to know where my beautiful date is?
Oh, your beautiful date, huh? She must be one lucky lady to be going out with the likes of a big stud like you.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Hey, you.
Hey, you!
It was me the whole time.
Wow, was it you?
Ooh, thank you.
Hi, Maggie, roommate to this one. I just want to get some clarity before things run off the rails and destroy the whole city. Your puppet's name is Pyongyang, as in the capital of North Korea?
Yeah, of course, I've always been fascinated by North Korean culture.
I think North Korean culture is a bit of an oxymoron.
Oh, look at you two. I can tell you guys are gonna be best friends.
Oh, you mean us three?
Where do you find these women?
They find me.